Woo, there it goes. Oh my god, that is quick. Oh, I can't wait to show you and tell you what I've done to my SUR-RON. She's cruising. Look at that. It looks taller now with that display. Yep, I've only gone and done it. I've upgraded my controller and battery. We got the BAC2000, yeah, boo, not many people like that. And I've got the 60 volt, 63 amp hour battery. So this controller compared to the stock one revs at 7,600. The stock is 5,600, so there's a 2,000 watt difference. And I have felt it, to be honest, but like it said in the description, it's not the fastest off the line. In fact, it hardly improves, if any, off the line performance, but once it gets to 10 miles per hour, it just livens up. Now, anyone who knows my background, I've never tried a modded SurRon or anything like that. All I've ridden are the stock ones, so I don't really know what the power feels like. But I tell you what, compared to the stock one, the power of this already feels, well, completely different. I'm really impressed. For the price, oh, it's getting windy and I'm getting blossom in the face. So yeah, it all came down to budget and what I really wanted. I would like the 72 volt, or just bypass my battery and then get a BAC8000, I think, or 4000, you know. I will hopefully eventually try that route, but we've gone down this one for now. Nice little controller, it's got all the built-in brackets. I'm really out for a test ride. That's what I did. Now, I had to come along the private road to get here. Got a bit of a ride back through the track, so I'll really be able to test it some more. The battery's slightly bigger, yes. I needed to put the bolts on there just to extend the battery lid. It's slightly heavier. Well, I say slightly heavier, it's quite noticeable really. On the bike, I've not really noticed it yet, but you know, I'm sure I will. So now I'll tell you what I was thinking. Me being me, 9 o'clock in the evening, I looked at the box and I thought, that looks easy. It's only 9 o'clock, that should take about an hour. Still there at midnight. Nearly done it by then. And I would be a lot quicker if I had to do it again. It was trying to get all the connections back down through all the space. I had to undo this like middle support frame, take off the tilt sensor. Then obviously you have to take off the, that's easy enough though. This one comes off really well compared to the last one I had. So far, so good. I just feel like this thing woke up a bit when I got on it. I couldn't believe it. Can't imagine what the 72 volt feels like, or even just a bypassed battery. But now my warranty has run out, that's what I'm thinking. Do a bypass on the battery and get a bigger controller. Just trying to see if there's anything else I want to mention. Yeah, the sensors don't work now. I had to remove I didn't have to remove the original speedo, but it didn't do anything apart from glow up. So I thought that's a waste of battery. And here in my cockpit, as this is plug and play, it's got 3 settings already programmed. Just change it with this. Easy enough. So then all I'm going to do now is I'm going for a little ride, and if you want to see any more then stick around and I'll be back in a few ticks. It's a lovely day for a test ride and do some debugging if I have to. Should be fine though, hopefully. Famous last words. I don't like being out in the open where anyone can see me. I can already feel that pickup. Definitely feels, well, quite a bit quicker. Now all the people with the 72 volts are going to be going, oh you queen, try the 72 volt. Yeah, well, baby steps, baby steps. I'm not mudding today. Thank you. These people get really funny about us using this. Oh, got some joeys. Oh yeah, something else I've already noticed, and that's the throttle control, the modulation of it, whatever you want to call it. It just seems so smooth now. But it's early days, I still need to test it some more. But so far, I have noticed the throttle felt a lot smoother. It's totally changed the low to mid and the mid to higher range. Perfect. Like I said, I'm not getting dirty today. Oh, I'm going to lift it over here if I can. I've got to. After here, I'm hopefully going to end up on a nice smooth track. Just sort of give it a bit. I'm not really prepared for today. I do have my gloves, but they're in my pocket. Got my shorts on. We don't fancy gravel rash. I have to really be careful. There's a lot of people walking, and this feels a bit pokey now. Seems to transform the bike. Oh, wind right in my face. Just feels like a different bike at this speed. Still got some left. Rough. Loving it. Wow, they've been doing some sort of drainage around here. Wrecked the place, just in that patch. Woohoo! Yeah, she's pulling it out. Whoa, this back brake is cack. I need to change the brake pads first. I think it's just got no bite. It's so windy, let's turn around. So I've got something else to mention. I can charge it up with my original SUR-RON charger, this battery. It's got some sort of adapter, and I haven't changed my belt drive to the chain drive. And hopefully the belt should be able to stand up to this sort of power. If not, we'll just get one of those Bill Gates ones. Let's have a bit of a blast back then. Woo, there it goes. Oh my god, that is quick. That's quick enough on this mountain bike contraption. Oh, I love that power. That is bloody brilliant. There she goes. Woohoo! It's like a little power band. Haha, love it. Amazing, absolutely amazing. I'm chuffed to bits with it. Hopefully that error can be sorted out. Right then, I'm back, and I just want to quickly give my initial first impressions. I'm smiling a lot, put it that way. It seems to have totally transformed the bike, and that to me is good. Now I know it's only the BAC2000, it's the baby of the litter, but it's not bad. And everyone wants different things from their controllers and batteries, so this is a very good option if you don't want that absolute animal power, then, and you just want a little bit more. This is perfect. Now this to me is just perfect, and it's given me a dilemma. It's given me a dilemma. Right then, all that's left for me to do now is thank you, especially as you got this far. Hope you enjoyed this upload, and maybe we should see you in the future. MOTO Machines out.